everyone! Welcome to Miss Jessica's Preschool. I'm so glad you're here today. Today, we are going to talk all about pumpkins. Let me show you what we're going to do. First, we are going to do a little quick circle time, and we're going to sing good morning to each other. Then, I'm going to tell you a story. After that, we're going to sing a pumpkin song for music. I have a special activity to show you. It's a science activity. You could try it at your house. And then we're going to sing goodbye. Okay, friends, first let's do circle time. We're going to sing a good morning song, and you can wave while we sing it. It goes like this. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my friends. Good morning to you. Good morning, friends. I'm so happy you joined us today. Okay, that was circle time. I'm going to take this down, and so now I'm going to read a story to you. Well, sometimes you can read stories, and sometimes you can just tell stories, like a storytelling. So I have one, and I'm going to show you what it's about. It's about pumpkins. Let's count and see how many pumpkins there are. You help me at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me on your hands what 5 looks like. It's one whole hand. 5 pumpkins. Do you know what? They're sitting on a gate. This story is called 5 Little Pumpkins Sitting on a Gate. And it goes like this. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. Hold up your 5 fingers. The first one said, can you put up one finger? The first one said, oh my, it's getting late. The second one said, put up 2 fingers. The second one said, there are witches in the air. The third one said, but we don't care. The fourth one said, let's run and run and run. Can you run? The fifth one said, I'm ready for some fun. Ooh, went the wind, and out went the light, and the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. We couldn't see them. They all rolled out of sight. Oh no! All right, friends, that is a fun song and story. All right, I'm going to take that down. So now we're going to sing a song, and it's about a pumpkin too. So let me get my pumpkin. Here's a real pumpkin that I'm going to use for my song. The song goes like this. I'm a little pumpkin, orange and round. Here is my stem, I grew on the ground. When I get all cut up, don't you shout. Just open me up and scoop me out. And look, Miss Jessica scooped out everything that was inside. I did really. This was what was inside. Seeds, these are pumpkin seeds, and pulp. It's kind of that orange stringy stuff that's inside. And these seeds you can save and plant next year so you can grow your own pumpkin. That is fun. Let's try the song again. It goes like this. I'm a little pumpkin, orange and round. Here is my stem, I grew in the ground. When I get all cut up, don't you shout. Just open me up and scoop me out. Good job, everyone. Okay, song is all done. I'm going to take that down. Now, I want to show you some fun science things that you could try at your house. First, I made something, and this is what it looks like. Oh, gross, I know. I made mud Play-Doh. Let me smell it. It doesn't smell like mud because I used chocolate. So I used chocolate pudding. I did the powder, and I mixed it with baking soda. And I mixed and I stirred and I mixed and I stirred, and that would be really fun for you to try. You could try doing that at home, and then it looks like mud, okay? And you can put little pumpkins in the mud. These are just candy pumpkins, and you can buy them at stores right now. And you can put them in the mud so it looks like a pumpkin patch, just like this. And you can even, if you have some farm toys, you can get your farm toys like a tractor and pretend that your tractor is coming to pick up one of the pumpkins. Oh, the tractor has it. That'd be fun to play. And even you can get your fingers in it and maybe play with it and maybe bury the pumpkin in the mud, or maybe try and find a pumpkin. Oh, I think I found one. Oh boy, it's really squishy. And we even put our pretend pigs in it too. And the pigs are in the pumpkin patch playing. So that's something fun you could make, is mud Play-Doh. Now, another thing that's really fun to play with right now is candy. This is candy corn, friends. Give me a thumbs up if you like to eat candy corn. It looks like this. Oh boy. Do you see all those colors it has? It's yellow, orange, and what's that top color? White. Yes. Some people like to eat candy corn. Miss Jessica doesn't. But give me a thumbs up if you like it. Oh, you like it? Or maybe you've never tried before. Well, you can buy this at the store right now. So maybe somebody at your house could buy some. And then what we do is we do a matching. So you can find the number. What number is that? 1. You're right. And so you can put 1 candy corn right here. And then go to the next one. What number is that? 2. So you can find 2 candy corns and put it on the 2. And you can keep going and practice your numbers. And then it's always fun to eat some too. So if your family wants to try any of these science things at home, the mud Play-Doh or candy corn match, just have them tell me and I can send them some of these ideas in email. All right, now friends, special activity is all done. I'm going to take that down, and now we're going to sing the goodbye song. And you can do the actions while I sing it. Okay, I'll show you the actions with my hands. It goes like this. See you later, alligator, after a while, crocodile, in an hour, sunflower, maybe 2, kangaroo, gotta go, buffalo, adios, hippo, chow chow, brown cow, see ya soon, baboon, adieu, cockatoo, better swish, jellyfish, chop chop, lollipop, gotta run, skeleton, bye bye, butterfly, better shake, rattlesnake, our day now ends, so goodbye, good friends. Bye friends, I'll see you next time.